Sometimes someone's presence occupies such a vast space in your mind. You don't just miss them, you feel this magnetic pull in every breath you take. You know that intense desire all too well, the one you can't escape, the one that wraps around your very soul. Today, we are going to perform a short but incredibly powerful mental practice to channel that massive energy in the right direction. Now, for a moment, let time stand still right where you are. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Recall that deep longing that blossoms in the center of your chest whenever you think of that specific person. Call forth that wave of burning desire, that familiar voice echoing in your mind. But this time, we are flipping the script. Imagine this powerful energy within you reaching out to them like an invisible ripple, finding its resonance in their heart. The flow is no longer one-sided. Your clear reflection is now awakening within their consciousness. Right now, they are being pulled toward you. They are searching for ways to hear from you, to hear your voice. For them, distance and time are becoming mere thresholds that must be crossed. Just like you, they are alone with your image in the depths of their mind. All their thoughts lead back to you. Enjoy this unique resonance and the shared frequency you've created. Now, take a deep breath and slowly return to the present moment. When you feel ready, you may open your eyes. Never forget, whatever you feed your mind, your reality takes shape in its shadow. This simple yet profound practice is a safe harbor you can return to whenever you wish to realign your energy. If this practice has awakened the power within you, seal it in the comments. My energy returns to me. For more of these short but life-shifting mental transformations, remember to like this video, explore the channel, and subscribe to keep your frequency high. I'll see you in the next transmission. I'm so glad you're here.